now we're looking at this problem. It says the angle measurements in the diagram are represented. So here's angle B and it equals this. Here's angle A and it equals this. And I know that if these angles are on the same side and they're inside, they're not equal. But look what happens if I take this angle right here and I put it in the same spot, right? It's on top of this line. It's on top. If I put it on top of this line in the same spot, I can see that they will add up to 180. So A plus B is going to be a line. Right here is my line, right? And I can see that this angle plus this angle make that line. So I know that angle A plus angle B equals 180. So A plus, I don't know what that's doing there, B equals 180. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take A, what it equals, and put it in for A. Okay, and then I'm going to put this plus sign there. Then I'm going to take what B equals, and I'm going to put in what B equals. It equals 3x plus 53. And it all equals 180, right? Because I said A plus B equals 180. Okay, so in this equation, we're not going to be putting the letters on one side, because they already are. Look, here's my equal sign. And on the left, I already have my x terms here and here. Okay, so I know that I'm going to keep them on the left. I'm going to have my x terms on the left, but the only problem I have is I have some numbers here, and I need to get all my numbers on the right. Okay, so there's two ways I can do this. I can add these two together first, or I can just undo each one. So let's just undo each one, just so you see it. Okay. So to undo this minus 35, I'm going to add 35 to both sides. And then to undo this plus 53, I'm going to take away 53 from both sides. Okay, so now these go and these go. And I have 180 plus 35. Let me get my calculator out. So 180 plus 35, and then I have to take away this 53. So my right-hand side of my equal sign, this whole thing equals 162. Okay, and I didn't cover up my x terms, but you could have done that so you don't see them. The reason I cover them up is because now you can see what's actually on the side with these x's that we don't want here. I make it so you can see it and visualize it. Okay, so we would take these x term blocks off and now combine these like terms. A 6x and a plus 3x gives me 9x's. 9x's. And now I divide both sides by 9. Oh, I hope this is an even number. It should be. Because when I add 1 plus 6 plus 2, I get 9. So this should be divisible by 9. Let's check it. 162 divided by 9 should give me a whole number. Yep, 18. Okay, so x equals 18, but I want to find out what a is, right? So I'm going to take my a equation, which is 6x minus 35, and plug in for x what x equals. So I have 6 times 18 minus 35. 6 times 18 is what, 58? I don't know. I better check it. 6 times 18 equals, oh, how did I get 58? 108. Take away 35, 108. That's why I always use my calculator. I mean, sometimes I can do math in my head. Sometimes I don't. I'm not careful enough. Okay, it says 73. Let's go check it in con. Let's go check it in con. Where's my con? 73 degrees. Let's check it. Ah, it worked. Got some